In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change theme in Odoo. A theme change can help your website look more modern, match your branding, or simply refresh the look for visitors. To keep things clear and easy, we will go through the exact buttons and tabs you need in order. First, go to the website app. This is usually where you manage the public-facing parts of your site, including design and presentation. Once you open the website app, make sure you are viewing the website editor area so you can access the theme settings. If you are currently in a different app, switching to the website app is the best way to ensure you see the correct options. Next, click Edit, which is located in the top right. This step is important because it enables editing mode for the website. When you enter editing mode, Odoo often shows an editor interface and additional controls. Take a moment to confirm you are seeing the edit controls on screen before moving on, because the theme options are tied to that editor state. Now click the Theme tab in the editor sidebar. The editor sidebar is where Odoo groups design-related options. By selecting the Theme tab, you focus specifically on the overall look and style, rather than individual pages or elements. In this area, you will typically see options to browse available themes and choose one that fits your needs. After that, click Choose a Theme to browse and select a new one. This will open a theme selection panel or gallery depending on your Odoo version. Browse through the available themes and look at the preview styling. If you see theme names or thumbnails, use those to compare the overall colors, typography, and layout feel. When you find a theme you want, select it so it becomes the current choice. This is the step where your website design direction is actually set. Once you have selected the theme, the next step is to click Apply and then Save. Applying updates the theme immediately in the editor context, so you can see the effect. Then saving ensures the change is stored and remains in place. It is common to apply and then save in sequence, and doing both helps prevent confusion where a theme appears to change temporarily but does not persist. Then, when you click Save, confirm that the editor indicates the changes have been saved successfully. If your interface shows a confirmation message, it is safe to treat that as your final confirmation. After saving, you can close the editor if you want, or simply continue working in the editor to make further adjustments. The key thing is that your theme selection is now the one your visitors will see, assuming the website is set up to use that theme for public pages. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.